So my daughter's gonna rank the top 5 Filipino foods that she likes. And my wife, her mom, cooked them all. She's gonna watch. Go.
Okay, for number 5, it's adobo. There's many different ways you can cook adobo, but the 2 primary ways that my family eats adobo is pork and chicken. And I don't like either of them because the way that my mom preps it sometimes for chicken, sometimes, not all the time, there will be bones in the chicken, and I do not like bones. And then for pork, sometimes, like recently when she cooked it, there was a bunch of fat on it. So we'd have to take the fat off. So I don't really like either of those ways, but primarily you would have this during lunch or dinner. If you have it during breakfast, you're a little weird, not gonna lie, but it's okay because I've had other food like that for breakfast. My dad likes the chicken and my mom likes the pork. Frankly, I like neither. Though I would choose chicken over pork because I do not like the fat and I like the texture of chicken more than I do of the pork. And yeah. Okay, number 4 would be Filipino spaghetti. The reason why it's number 4 is because sometimes it gets a bit too repetitive. When we have it, we have the meal prep and it goes on for almost a week. And if you have Filipino spaghetti for almost a week, personally, in my opinion, it gets a bit repetitive, but it's different from the American spaghetti, the Filipino spaghetti is, because I like the Filipino spaghetti more than I like the American spaghetti for the fact that the Filipino spaghetti is sweet and the American spaghetti is like salty. So yeah, and my dad likes the Filipino spaghetti too because he has a bit of a sweet tooth. But yeah, I like the Filipino spaghetti way more than I like the American spaghetti. And also, sometimes in the Filipino spaghetti, we'll put hot dogs in it. I don't like hot dogs, so that's also why it's number 4. But yeah, I don't really like hot dogs, but it's really good. And it's really different from the original spaghettis and meatballs for Americans and Italians. Okay, number 3 is gonna be spam musubi. Yes, you may be wondering, spam musubi is Hawaiian, but there are Filipino spam musubis. I personally love the original spam musubi, especially with like the sweet sauce, like from Hawaii. But I really love that kind of spam musubi. But there's also the Filipino spam musubi with spam tocino, garlic rice, fried egg, and seaweed. This is how I originally had it before, but with regular spam instead of tocino spam. And it was really good and I really liked it. And I've had tocino spam before. So with a mix of all of those together, I feel like it would be really good. I haven't had it yet, but I've had something like it. So yeah, I think it would be really good. You would normally have this during dinner and lunch. You can't have it for breakfast because like garlic rice and tocino is breakfast food. Okay, that leads us on to number 2. Tocino! Just regular plain tocino, not spam tocino, but tocino. I really like this because it's sweet. My dad also likes it because it's sweet. He has a sweet tooth, like I said before. But it's a sweet type of meat. I don't know what kind of meat it is. Don't want to know because if I don't like it, I'm not going to eat it. But personally, I love it. This tocino with garlic rice and egg. Because that was how I normally had it in the Philippines as a breakfast food. Tocino and garlic rice is normally a breakfast food. And, but I've had it for lunch and dinner, but normally, like traditionally in the Philippines, we would have it for breakfast. Sometimes we would have it for dinner because we were a bit picky on the food because we're American. But yeah. Okay. Number 1 is sinigang. I don't know why I like it. I just love it. But I think I like it because it's a soup and it's the only way you can make me eat my vegetables. I don't really eat vegetables out of that except for string beans. And yeah, it's basically a soup with a bunch of vegetables in it and there's beef in it. There's also shrimp. I've had the shrimp sinigang, but I personally like the beef better, even though I don't really eat the meat. Like I said before, don't like the texture of it. But so have the beef in it, and then a bunch of different vegetables like okra, radish, eggplant. There's a bunch of different ones. And taro root, I really like the taro root. It tastes like a potato. But that's my number one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Love you, Mom. Are you still gonna make Dad's favorites? I know I'm your favorite, but like you should still make Dad his favorite foods. Okay, bye.